I'm Chris Stafford with Staffords Garage. We built this 1963 C10, also known as the Burley Woods C10 for the SEMA show this year. We've pretty well always used CPP on all of our builds from build number one. This is our 5th SEMA build. We just like this stuff. Never really had an issue with it, so if it's not broke, don't fix it. So once we find something we like, we kind of stick with it. We went with the CPP tubular upper and lower control arms. Obviously we did air ride suspension, so that made that super simple, pretty much a bolt on. We did the CPP modular brake kit. Of course the larger brakes help to stop better. Like I said, on the drive here, you know, somebody cuts you off, you got instant braking power. Much better than factory, which was drum brakes on this truck, so huge improvement. And of course we went to the power vacuum booster master cylinder setup, so that's a huge improvement over what this truck came with in 1963. So you know, modernized it some and made it comfortable for the owner to drive. Something unique about this build is the owner is actually the 4th generation owner of the truck. The name comes from Burley Woods, who was the original owner. His great-grandfather bought it in 1914. That's hence the art on the door. That's where that comes from. And also, we drove this thing here pretty much east to west coast, from Louisiana to Vegas, a little over 1,500-mile trip here, and we're also going to drive it back home. So.